I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of fruits. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she watching a minute. A pretty face and bad character. Them no kind of living can hold shaka. Follow me. A pretty face and bad character. Them no kind of living can hold shaka. So girl, you pretty. Your face is pretty, but your character dirty.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean.
Good morning, Habibis. Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. Another banger. Hey, another banger. And today's video is home remodeling. Finally, after I have moved in over 6 months now it's time to just remodel my space and just make it feel homely. First agenda of the day, the balcony. The balcony is giving distress, it's giving drama, it's giving trouble. And please don't mind my lips, I'm so dry, I need to lip gloss it. But anyway, that is the first thing. Then the second thing will be the couch and the living room, and then as we continue, so I'll show you guys the balcony before and after, so that you guys see that it really needs, like, it's so dirty I don't even want to step outside. I'll show you when the stuff comes in. All right, like the before and after. So let's go shopping. Come shopping with me. I left my candle, my Bath and Body Works candle lighting at night. That's what I'm trying to blow it away. So let me go, because my target was to leave the house at 11:30 and it is 11:30. It is time. I'm so excited. I'm in my wifey era. Am I a wife? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, let's go. Of course, I'm gonna take you with me, okay? Yalla, baby.
Welcome to the King Experience. This is what we say. Listen. Me up, no, don't you try come in.
Detecting, and then now move that side. See the camera following.
Wow. Efficiency enggak?
Yeah. This is the before, nothing much, and we're gonna see the after later tomorrow, okay? Well, that didn't go as planned. The nylon cable is short. I should have bought the longest one. Let me see if I can get online. Because I was like so excited to do it, but now, oops. Let me just get into my meeting now. Because what the hell? What the hell? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? I have just installed my hair. Blonde hair is hectic to install. Come on, because I'm scared that anything will be seen and everything. But anyway, what am I supposed to do? I had to try it, and I don't know why, but I've put powder and look, the stains, but I've seen on TikTok that you can remove it with alcohol. So I'll try and remove it so that I can be blonde. But anyway, This is I don't know, but I needed to show you guys what I did for my balcony, actually the makeover and the things I bought, but I already did it. Like, I was supposed to show you the whole thing, but honestly I couldn't do it alone, so I got someone to help me, and then I paid them, and they came at night because the sun in UAE is hot. It's extremely hot. Excuse me. So they already did everything that I wanted, and I want to show you guys as I tell you the prices, maybe how much I bought them for, and all that. It's really hot outside, so I'm just gonna go there for a while and then come back inside and talk about it. But first, let's start with the cushion, the poof that I had bought for outside, but it seems that it won't go outside because there's no more space. So first of all, I bought this cushion, this poof with its pillow for the outside. I thought it will really look nice in the outside, but all of a sudden it looks really nice here, and I like it just brings a bit of light, because over here in my chair there isn't anything there. It's just one chair, and then so I feel like that is really a good addition. I also bought the carpet that I had told you in the other vlog. This is the carpet, and also LED through the house. Also, before we go outside, oh my goodness, I love this. Sorry guys, sorry, the camera, come on. Perfect. So you see this, I bought this lamp or whatever, lamp. I love it. I love the fact that it is white and it just goes up until right here. I love the fact it has the feathers and all that. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving. I also added an addition of flower that I thought that, let me show you guys. I thought that I would add this as an addition outside, but I didn't. You see that vase over there? There. I thought I would put it outside. I was thinking about the outside more, but I was not seeing that there is not a lot of space. But anyway, that will do there because it looks awesome. Let me show you. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That palm tree right in front when you get into the house looks fantastic. It is ceramic. By the way, it is ceramic, so it's really hard, and then just the palms come, and with the white and all that looks gorgeous. Also, an added addition was this mat to just elevate the house when someone comes in through the door. It looks awesome, but today is not about that. It's all about outside, because the living room is not renovated yet, because this has to go, and I'm not sure when I will do that. But let's go outside. Let me show you the final look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Because I am. I know I have shown you like small, but let me show you. 1, 2, 3, go. It is extremely hot outside. I can't even talk. Like, I think it's like 30 degrees or 40 degrees. I'm not even sure. But let me tell you, have you seen the grass? The grass was the highlight. Like, I needed the grass, because the thing with living next to the beach is that there's a lot and a lot of dust, and that was icking me, because every time you'd get out, coming in, you'd be so dirty, and it was just not giving. That's why actually I bought this. I didn't buy, but I stole them from the hotel. I took these shoes from the hotel to actually get outside, and now I'm using them and not feeling like they're getting dirty, which is awesome, because I feel like the grass is like absorbing the dust. I don't know. And I did not glue the grass down, because I wanted it to be able to be removed and washed and all that. Love it. Another thing is the highlight, this one right here. This was the highlight. This one, on the other hand, was actually a bit of expensive. Either the grass was like 200 dirham or 250. I think it was 200 dirham after bargaining a lot. For the whole, and it still remained for the whole section, and it still remained because I took a bit bigger. Then the chair was 1,000 dirham, which was a bit expensive, honestly, because I wasn't expecting that. But also I knew that it was around 500 to 800, because I really wanted a strong one, because here the wind is really strong, so I really needed a strong chair. I did not want to go and buy any cheap ones that will fall off. You know, my balcony is glass. It might fall off and break the glass. I don't want drama. Then I got I think you saw the plants. Those are fake plants, just to give that light, that color, that life into the balcony, because I felt like it was too exposed, but I wanted the sides not to be exposed, because also, what am I seeing on the side? Nothing. I just wanted a bit of life, which is gorgeous. Those ones I got like 20 dirham. Yeah. And then I had the stool, which used to be here. I just used that stool from here in the house. I put it outside, and that's just decorated it with some fake candles for late night candlelight and all that. It's just stunning. And the chair that you saw was actually a chair that we got when we bought our bed, and we got it for free, so I just used that as well to just put it outside. And that's actually it for my balcony. I am super excited for winter time. I'll be sitting there drinking my wine, listening to music, and just having the time of my life. I can't thank myself enough. I can't of course I'm gonna thank myself first, but I can't thank myself enough. I can't thank my partner, who has always also been very supportive, and also God, who has made this possible for me, and everybody else, and you who is still watching, because the fact that you are watching and subscribing actually makes this possible for me, because you know, YouTube money be good and be helping me out here and there for these small items. But thank you so much for actually watching this video, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you did, please do hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And I hope to see you again in the next video. I know I've missed you. I'm gonna do a haul, okay? All right, I'm gonna do a haul. Alrighty, I wanted to actually do it now, but I haven't eaten anything the whole day. I might collapse. I think I'll do it tomorrow when I have energy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'll show you at night also, if I remember. Love you. It is sunset, and I want to show you guys how it looks. By the way, the new hair looks amazing. I have never done blonde, but whoa. But let me show you how the outside looks during sunset. It looks stunning.